Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to change the color of any image in Canva. Perfect for matching your design aesthetic or giving your visuals a fresh look. Start by opening your Canva project and click on the image you want to edit. You'll see a toolbar appear at the top. Click Edit Image, which opens Canva's array of enhancement tools. From the list, select Duotone. This is where the magic happens. In the Duotone sidebar, scroll through the preset color options and pick one you like. For example, the cherry preset applies a striking red hue. But you're not limited to presets. You can customize highlights and shadows using sliders to adjust brightness, contrast, and depth. You can also control the effect's intensity to make it subtle or bold depending on your design. And that's it. With Duotone, you can completely transform your images, giving your designs a unique, eye-catching edge. Experiment with colors and settings to create visuals that truly pop. Happy designing!